Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is George. I'm a local Chinese. My first language is Chinese, and English is my second language. This channel, I opened this channel is to introduce Chinese learning to the to the people who want to learn Chinese, and you first language maybe is English, or second language will be English. So I will use English to teach the Chinese. So I feel very confident about my Chinese because this is my first language, and I use this language for many years. So I know very clearly about the difficulty or something difficult for the foreigners who want to learn Chinese. And I think YouTube is a very good channel for the users abroad, all over the world to find my channel, and I can give you the lessons about Chinese. A received Chinese, popular Chinese, which is used by the locals. So it will be very authentic Chinese. You will learn some interesting words. And if you have any comments and questions, you can leave your comments. And also I appreciate if you can subscribe to the channel, which will encourage me to give you more lessons, more useful and interesting lessons about Chinese history, and interesting stories about China. So okay, so today we can start to learn the greeting. Every day we will meet many peoples which you may know or not, or may not know, the strangers. But I think the greeting words like hello, how are you, just such kind of words. How does Chinese greeting with each other? For example, there is a word just like hello, the English word hello, which equals to the Chinese words like Nihao. Nihao, which means equals to you. Hao means good. Nihao, which means hello, just like the words means hello, Nihao. But if you translate these two characters, I will separate these two characters, ni and hao. So ni means you, hao means good. So ni hao, which means hello, how are you? So these words can be used everywhere, at any situations. When you meet some people, when you are walking on the street, and you want to ask a stranger about the questions, or how to go somewhere, then you can call the stranger, said ni hao, just greetings. So you can use this word for a greeting for any situations, which is very useful, just for the ni hao. And if you in China, there's many polite forms for the words. For example, ni hao. And if you want to use this word to be more polite to the people you want to talk about, then you can change the ni to ning, which also means you, but which is more polite, just like your excellency, just like very polite formal of you, just said 您好. Nihao. It is simple, just ning, hao, which equals to ni hao, but ning hao sounds more polite comparing with ni hao. So these words can be used in any situation, no matter the time, just like good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's different. You can use ni hao in any time in one day, no matter in the morning or in the afternoon or at night. You can use ni hao anywhere, just like hello. So okay, so it's a very simple, right? Simple today. So this is the first lesson you can learn from this class. Then next lesson we will talk about some other interesting greetings for your daily life. So recap: when you meet some people in the restaurant or in the on the road, you can have a greeting. Just said ni hao, hello, ni hao. So then they will feedback to you. Also said like ni hao. They will also say, the Chinese, local Chinese, will also say ni hao. Just the same words. Just hello, hello, ni hao, ni hao. Okay, so that's all for today's lessons. And if you want to know more about Chinese characters, Chinese learning, and which kind of a topic you want to discuss about Chinese learning, then you can leave your comments, and I will get back to you very, very quickly. Thank you very much.